Got quite possibly one of the baddest SN95s on planet Earth. Alright guys, so we've got David Edwards in the house, the Ford Takeover Rockstar.
I don't know about that.
The one man is never afraid to send it with the burnouts.
That is correct.
I've wanted to film this car forever. Obviously at Ford Takeover there's never any time. So let's get into this bad boy.
Alright.
What gen are we?
Gen 2.
So Gen 2, is it built motor and all that, or is it still?
No, it's a factory Ford Performance crate engine.
Of course, the elephant in the room, polished, is that P1X?
D1X.
D1X. God. Just, now if everybody remembers, if you were at Ford Takeover, this car almost won the dyno shootout. If you could have run it out, you probably would have.
I mean,
I don't know.
There's a little bit of ways to go, but
yeah. So you did 904 and did we get
903 and the second run it got too hot, so
yeah,
it didn't make as much,
but I mean either way, 1,000 horsepower car, yeah. Any way you slice it. All right, so we got to talk about the outside here because it's like no SN95 I've ever seen. You said it's been painted for quite a while?
It's been painted for about 12 years. Originally it was white, and I've got a 91 titanium convertible.
Okay.
And I love the color of it to a point where I said we gotta try to get some silver in it some way. And
yeah. I'm
not big on two-tones, but this one worked out.
No, dude, it works. It works. And the True Forged wheels, I mean, True Forged wheels are like the heroes of the 03 Cobra era, and you can't buy them anymore. Just, man, I don't know. I think it's the black lip with the polished center that just does it. Yeah. I mean,
I wanted something different. So
yeah. And I'm always, whether it's an SN95 or a New Edge, wingless on the trunk.
Yes, definitely.
I mean, it just makes the ass look bigger on the cars. And then of course we got laundry back here, just in case anybody's wondering. Yeah, that's necessary.
Yeah, that's just in case, you know.
Yeah. In case it falls out of an airplane. No.
Yeah. In case it, you know.
I mean, in theory, this is an 8-second capable car.
Oh, easily.
I mean, all day long, so. All right, so interior wise, nothing just crazy, but I mean, you got the 10th anniversary Cobra seats. I actually love this. This is the LMR steering wheel, isn't it?
It is.
It's got the big thick grip on it. Freaking love it. Got the boost gauge up there. The 6-point cage.
It's a 4-point here, but it's got the door bars that go.
Gotcha. Oh yeah, okay. So you got the door bars out, but nothing crazy, nothing race car, just clean.
Street car.
Yeah, clean, functional. You know, something you can just get in and cruise, you know, which is what you're supposed to do with these things, is enjoy them. All right, guys, so just in case you want to know what the baddest SN95 on planet Earth looks like, you can claim that.
I would say I would be at least top 3.
At least. And he's not even kidding. And dude, I'm glad I finally got to film the car.
Yeah. I appreciate it.
Like I said, the Burnout King at Ford Takeover. I don't think you're ever going to be topped.
I'm sure we're going to do it again this year.
Yeah, I guarantee we're going to do it again. Looking forward to it. So if you guys enjoyed this one, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. I'll catch you on the next one.